Bonjour encore. Je suis ici avec un nouveau livre. Je commence l'école. I start the school. Let's read it together. Le congé est terminé. Je commence l'école. Je cours dans l'escalier. Je suis très excitée. Holiday is finished. I'm starting the school. I'm running down the stairs. I'm very excited. Maman m'a dit de me calmer. Elle est dans la cuisine et me prépare des céréales. Je mange tout. Mama told me to calm down. She is in the kitchen and is preparing cereals for me. I eat all. I eat them all. Je prends mes cahiers et mon carnet. Mon sac est prêt et hop, je pars. I pack or I put my notebooks and my notepad. My backpack is ready and hop, I am leaving or I leave. En allant à l'école, je rencontre Alice et Caroline. On fait la course jusqu'à l'école. On the way to the school, I met Alice and Caroline. We are walking the way to the school. Vite, la cloche sonne. On met nos sacs dans le casier. La classe va commencer. Quick, the bell is ringing. We put our backpacks in the locker. The class is going to start. Je prends une place au centre du local. Vincent, notre enseignant, nous donne une leçon de français. I take the spot in the middle, or I'm sitting in the middle of the class, at the center of the class. Vincent, our teacher, is giving us a French lesson. Yes, you're right. Do you see that below? You put the cédille. It's known as cédille. C'est un accent. When we put it below C, right? To make the sound of que into ça. Just like français. Leçon. On continue. Ensuite, on fait un bricolage. Je découpe 5 cercles. Je les colle sur un carton de couleur. Then we do a hands-on activity, or we do a DIY, a craft work. I cut 5 circles. I paste them on a colorful cardboard. Comme la journée passe vite, je décide de porter mon bricolage à la maison. Maman me remercie. Elle est très contente. As the day passed quickly, I decide to bring my craft at home. Mama thanked me. She is very happy. Content or content is an English word, which is content. Now over here, we got some beautiful activity to practice together. These are the words with the soft C sound and the hard C sound. Les mots avec ce doux, which means soft, ou que dur, which is the hard. So if you see it, the hard one are with the blue color and the soft one are with the pink color. Let's say them all together. And you're going to help me in telling their meanings. Is that okay? Let's do it. Congé, commence, école, cours, escalier, exciter, calmer, cuisine, céréales, cahier, carnet, sac, rencontre, Alice, Caroline, course, cloche, casier, classe, place, centre, local, Vincent, leçon, français, bricolage, découpe, 5, cercle, code, carton, couleur, comme, décide, remercie, contente. Merci à tous, à très bientôt.